December is more than a mass of roses in the Melbourne Cup. It's the time for planting out the last of your tomatoes. In northern gardens, this should be confined to cherry or salad tomatoes, with plants given plenty of space to improve air circulation during the wet. Homegrown seedlings should be hardened off before planting out. This involves exposing them to more time in the sun, day and night, until they can be completely exposed, and at that time they're ready for planting in the garden. Plant in a soil enriched with compost and well-rotted manure. If plants are leggy, you can actually plant them a little deeper in the soil to help them stabilise. Stake at planting to avoid damaging the roots later. And water in with a diluted seaweed solution. Other seedlings to plant out now include capsicum, chilli, corn, beans, melons, pumpkins, zucchini and cucumbers. Much of Australia is already experiencing and preparing for drought. Topsoil is critical to the continued success of our soils. In gardens, protect soils by planting a living mulch. You can use a variety of plants in this role, including herbs and Mediterranean ground covers. Also consider planting foliage and flowering plants for seasonal colour and contrast, or even edible ground covers such as rock samphire, or our favourite at our Heronswood garden, our catmint and evening primrose combo. Now is a great time to plant your own strawberry patch. Strawberries are a real treat of the summer, which can be grown in the garden, in pots or in hanging baskets. When planting strawberries in pots, always use a premium potting mix and give plants a little space to grow. Most strawberries will send out runners, which can then be separated from the parent plant to extend your patch. Some strawberries need a specific pollinator, so always check which plants need help from another variety to set fruit, such as pineberry and strasberry. Spend 5 minutes a day walking around the garden, checking for pests, checking if you need to water or feed, and pulling out any weeds you may find along your travels. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for more details.